guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 6, I think. Yeah, welcome back and welcome if you are new. I am vlogging on my phone today because we are going to my grandma's house and I just don't really like taking my camera places. I thought the other day, yeah, I'll take my camera, but then I was like, no, I just don't want to. So I'm not going to, but anyway, welcome back to my channel. I am here gonna do the chickens, but I thought I'm gonna quickly welcome you guys back before I start filming anything. So yeah, welcome back, and I really hope you guys enjoy today's video. I showed him on my Instagram the other day, but I didn't on here. It's terrible lighting in this place. Yeah, here he is. Guys, he's so cute. I love this little guy. Big guy, more like it. He's just really adorable. Why are you holding your head in such a way? Why are you holding your head like that? Anyway, totally random, but he's really adorable, so I had to share it. But
ordered 5 batches of oh, so say 10? So we're actually out of 10. How about 8? They said they'll take 8. 8? Okay, the name's Judy. Okay. And what? I'm sorry, we're out of pizza. Okay. Okay, bye.
So nice. Yeah.
What's up, Pops?
Oh, great.
What you reading?
Well, reading this here newspaper. I was reading by myself. You know. Well, I can remember back in 1956 when I read my first newspaper. Yeah. Well.
What were you reading?
Well.
You really remember that far back?
I do.
You do.
I do. Not that old. Not yet. Well, a long time ago, but yeah, you went way down there really fast. Well, I remember I made a lot of money that year. Don't tell nobody, because I don't want to be jealous, but I made $45.